Okay guys, you can see this is the new Whitewater Bridge. It goes over the Whitewater River. We've done a lot of work here. A lot of concrete, a lot of rock. What I was told is that they've got two 10-foot, 12-foot pipes and two 10-foot pipes to get the water through. And you can notice it's all clear. Nothing to stop debris. You see the water flows through. Same path, just really cleaned out. Okay guys, we've now passed the Whitewater River and now we're heading towards the PCT junction with the Whitewater Preserve Trail. And we're going to see some of the work from the PCT Association. They've been up here doing trail maintenance. And this is what they've made. It used to just be a dirt trail. I've done trail maintenance here because this thing gets washed out every flood. But this is their new. It's a rock staircase. Tons and tons of rocks. But we're gonna go up it. Not too bad, a little steep, but very easy getting up. It's actually easier getting up these stairs than getting up the trail that used to be here. We're officially out of the preserve property now. We're actually on BLM land. Here's some of my work. I did this about 2 weeks before the flood. It's a water bar for the water that comes out of this canyon. We're not going to go too much farther. You meet it with the PCT just over there towards those hills. Okay, so here we are. We're at the official. This is the PCT going south towards Mexico. Got some hikers up on the hill. We do have southbounders coming through right now. You can see I'm at the top of the staircase. It looks really scary from up here. Just hope it stays. All it takes is one good flood and it's gonna all be gone again. The PCT trail guys did an excellent job. Excellent job on that. Very cool. Thank you guys, the PCT Association and the trail maintenance guys. Thank you for that. That's good job.